Welcome to today's BioBrainiacs Academy session, the biology of aging. Can we slow down time? Here's our plan for today. We'll start by defining aging, then explore major theories behind it. Next, we'll look at cellular and molecular changes, genetic factors, and lifestyle habits that affect aging. We'll also cover new medical advances and ethical questions about slowing or stopping aging. Finally, we'll finish with a quiz to review key points. Aging is the natural decline in biological functions over time. It causes gradual loss of physical and mental abilities, increasing risks for diseases like cancer and dementia. While it affects health like a disease, aging itself is a normal, universal process. Science is now exploring ways to influence it. Studying aging isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. By understanding how aging works, scientists aim to delay diseases, extend healthy years, and reduce healthcare costs. Aging research also reveals important insights about biology and disease. People have been fascinated by aging and youth for thousands of years, with myths about fountains of youth and immortality. Early medicine noted signs of aging, but modern science only recently began studying it at the cellular and genetic levels, creating a new field called longevity science. Scientists have several aging theories. Damage accumulates in cells over time, genes may control a biological clock, free radicals harm cells, telomeres shorten with each division, mitochondria lose efficiency, hormones change, and no single theory explains aging fully, but together they give a clearer picture. Aging cells divide less, limiting tissue repair. Senescent cells stop dividing but don't die, harming tissue function. Damaged proteins build up and cell communication breaks down. These changes cause many signs of aging. Oxidative stress happens when harmful reactive oxygen species, or ROS, build up faster than the body can neutralize them. ROS damage DNA, proteins, and fats, contributing to aging and chronic diseases. Antioxidant defenses weaken with age, making damage worse. Telomeres protect chromosome ends but shorten with each cell division. When too short, cells stop dividing or die. Telomerase can lengthen telomeres but is mostly inactive in adults. Cancer cells often reactivate it to divide endlessly, and telomere research offers potential anti-aging therapies. Mitochondria produce cellular energy but become less efficient with age, making cells tired and increasing ROS production. This decline impacts metabolism and is linked to many age-related diseases. Genes affect how we age and how long we live. Some genes regulate aging processes, and calorie restriction can extend lifespan by activating these pathways. Epigenetic changes, which alter gene activity without changing DNA, also influence aging. Aging often involves chronic low-level inflammation, or inflammaging, which damages tissues and worsens diseases like heart disease and Alzheimer's. The aging immune system is less precise, increasing inflammation. Reducing inflammaging is key to healthier aging. Lifestyle greatly affects aging. Healthy diets support repair and reduce oxidative stress. Exercise improves heart, muscle, and brain health, and good sleep helps restore the body. Managing stress and avoiding toxins like smoking protect against early aging. Calorie restriction, eating less without malnutrition, can slow aging and disease in animals by affecting metabolism and gene expression. Its effects on humans are still being studied, but it shows promise. Scientists are also exploring drugs that mimic these benefits. New medical advances aim to slow or reverse aging. Senolytic drugs remove harmful senescent cells. Stem cell therapies repair damaged tissues. Gene editing like CRISPR may fix aging-related mutations. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individuals for better results. Activating telomerase to lengthen telomeres could rejuvenate cells, but risks promoting cancer since tumors often use telomerase. Research is focused on balancing these benefits and risks. Genetic and epigenetic therapies like CRISPR and reprogramming can potentially slow or reverse aging by fixing mutations and resetting gene activity. These raise ethical questions about safety, fairness, and long-term effects. Regenerative medicine uses stem cells and 3D bioprinting to repair or replace damaged tissues. Though promising, challenges remain in making these treatments safe and widely available. Hormones decline with age, causing muscle loss, bone thinning, and metabolic changes. Hormone therapies can help but may have risks. Safer, targeted treatments are in development. Anti-aging raises ethical issues. Who gets access and could it increase inequality? Longer lives might strain resources and change society. Different cultures view aging and death differently, influencing acceptance of these therapies. Nutrition affects aging. Balanced diets, rich in antioxidants, support repair, while excess sugar and processed foods speed aging through inflammation. Intermittent fasting may promote longevity, and supplements can help but don't replace healthy eating. Exercise slows aging by improving heart, lung, muscle, bone, and brain health. It lowers risks of many chronic diseases and supports mental well-being. Sleep is vital for tissue repair and brain health. Poor sleep increases risks of heart disease, obesity, and cognitive decline. Good sleep habits support healthy aging. Psychological and social factors matter too. Chronic stress speeds aging by raising inflammation. Strong social ties and mental activities improve health and brain function. Mindfulness and relaxation help reduce stress and improve quality of life. The gut microbiome influences aging. Its diversity drops with age, affecting immunity and inflammation. Probiotics and prebiotics may help maintain a healthy microbiome, offering a new path to healthier aging. Anti-aging research is advancing fast. Senolytics, metabolic therapies, stem cells, and nanotech show promise. Personalized medicine that fits individual genetics and lifestyle could extend healthy lifespan. As anti-aging tech grows, fair access is critical. Longer lives could affect healthcare, retirement, and population growth. Different cultures have varied views on aging and interventions. Society must balance benefits with ethics and sustainability. The future of aging science is bright. AI and big data help discover new aging markers and tailor treatments. Regenerative medicine may repair aged tissues, and global research speeds progress toward longer, healthier lives. Let's check your knowledge. What is cellular senescence? Answer: cells stop dividing and stay in growth arrest, leading to tissue aging. Name one aging theory. Your answer could be the free radical theory, which says damage from reactive oxygen species builds up over time. How do telomeres affect aging? Answer: they shorten with each division, limiting cell renewal. What does oxidative stress do? Answer: it damages DNA, proteins, and fats, speeding aging and a disease. Name one lifestyle factor that influences aging. Answer: exercise, healthy diet, or avoiding smoking helps slow aging and promote longevity. Thank you.